Flowers share your shine. Bring back what is mine. Ghost comes back around. What has been lost is
Rapunzel, let down your hair. You want to go outside? Do you know why we stay up in this tower? That's right, to keep you safe and sound, dear. I guess I always knew this day was coming, that you would want to leave this nest. But if you insist, if you must head outside, then at least it's important to look your absolute best. And you're in luck, because I'm the absolute go-to guru for beauty. But first, to make yourself look younger, you will need a magic flower, magic hair, or a couple of anti-aging creams. But even if you don't have any magic hair or flowers, I will be testing some makeup products that claim to have magical abilities, so keep watching. And the first magic item I will be testing is the OK color changing mood mask, which says it will turn magically from purple to a magic flower yellow. It smells divine. So, okay, Master got the spell wrong. I'm using a very pale shade. My name is Mother Gothel, after all. Oh, you see what I did there? Oh, so I have a certain reputation to uphold. I'm using Note Full Coverage Concealer to cover any eye bags, which I don't have, obviously. And then you just pat, pat, pat. For my contouring, I'm all about the cheekbones, darling. It's one of my many great features. I am exaggerating them using a highlighter and then a darker contour color below and on my forehead. Then under my jaw to define it, and then I'm adding it to where I'm showing you to give myself a bit more of a heart-shaped face, because I'm such a loving and caring person who only wants what's best for you. My distinctive nose is long and thin with a bit of width at the top of the bridge, then contour around the outline. A distinctive nose shows a distinctive personality. Then blend, blend, blend! Only blend in when contouring, darling. To show off my amazing and colorful personality, I like to add a splash of color to my cheeks. And for this, I'll be using black. This is another product with magical abilities. It is Anna Sweet Cream Blush in Magical Black. Just apply it to your cheeks and the true color will magically appear. I like a strong blush, like a blushing bride, which I will never be. So many men in so little time, right? They're only good for giving compliments. Although I do like picking berries while I'm in the woods gathering ingredients for my potions, I do not particularly want to smear them on my face like it looks like I've done here, so I'm adding an orange-red blush over the top. I do need a strong blush to freshen up my fair, beautiful porcelain complexion. Add it to the bottom side of the nose too, and only a light bit of color in the middle to not ruin the hard work we spent getting the contouring exactly right. I do love a smoky eye. It just brings out that twinkle in my eyes. To start off, I am using a brown eyeliner to make a new crease above my natural one to make my eyes big and seductive. Light color below my eyebrows to lift and emphasize my beautiful brow bone. Then for my eyeshadow I am using Color Oud from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. All products, wigs, lenses, costumes are listed in the description like always, so you can look as dazzling as me. Then I'm applying a slightly shimmery gold color on my lid. Smoking hot starts with smoky eyeliner. Apply the liner following your upper lash line and use a brush such as the Bobbi Brown smoky eyeliner brush to smoke it out. And reapply the liner to darken it again just at the lash line. Use a gel eyeliner to do a little flick on the outer corner and use the eyeliner again under the eyes, smudging it using a cotton bud. Then go over with the brown eyeshadow again on the outer corner of the eyes and below the eyes. Apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. Then I'm using fake lashes, little black dress, although I do prefer a little red dress myself, by Kiss. But if anyone tries to cross me, I need to let them know that I mean business. And to do this, I have a little trick up my sleeve, which is to add a light eyeliner below my pupil to intensify my stare. The shape of my eyebrows are down on the inside and going up dramatically on the outside to give me a cross look. It is a scary world out there. You will need to scare off thugs and men with pointed teeth and all sorts. Make sure you watch right to the end to watch on bloopers. Don't look too bad, do I, for 28 years old? I am outlining my lips using Dervish lip pencil by MAC. My lips do go down a bit on the sides. I'm highlighting using more of an orangey color, NARS Velvet lip pencil in Bolero, and using the previous lip pencil to blend it in. Which takes me to the next magic makeup item I'm testing today, which is the Kylie Jenner lipstick, which was a big thing a few years ago, but I never actually tried it myself before. And it looks like this. It has a magic flower inside of it. It was supposed to be yellow, but it was red. It seems to be a glossy, transparent pink, which gives off a stronger color the more you layer it. Well, I like to leave pinks for princesses, so I'll only apply one layer to give my lips some shine and a hint of color. And I will also test another product, although I will not be using it today. It's the Anna Sui Black Rouge lipstick. This is what it looks like. It's red in the middle with a bit of black surrounding it. And then we're gonna test the swatch. So it actually becomes quite a nice berry red, which was probably match my dress. So if you want to go for a bit more of a dramatic look, then this would definitely be a good option for you. And then I'm gonna finish off using the Urban Decay setting lotion, which has a magical formula that lowers the temperature of your makeup so that it stays in place. Oh, and I have a big surprise! I brought parsnips. I'm making hazelnut soup, your favorite. You know when I said you could go outside? Well, I changed my mind. But at least you look great, right? Just teasing, darling. But it's just not safe out there. There's thugs, poison ivy, quicksand, cannibals and snakes. The plague, yes. Men with pointy teeth, and say no more, you just upset me. You are not leaving this tower ever! Oh, great. Now I'm the bad guy. Remember, Flower, Mother knows best. I love you most. Cannibals and snakes! Cannibals and snakes! And you're in luck because I'm the absolute go-to guru for beauty. I don't look too bad, do I, for 420 years old? What was that? And that takes me to another magic makeup item. And that takes me to another magic makeup. And that takes me to another makeup item magic makeup item. And that takes me to another magic item makeup. Makeup item. Magic mic. That takes me to another makeup item magic. Tomato, where have you gone? Don't leave this tower. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Ta-ta! I'll see you in a bit, my flower.